Alright, so welcome to the juicy lesson. Finally, to the things you have been waiting for, which is scraping leads. Now, if you guys don't know, scraping leads basically means getting contact information to your potential clients that you want to send your offer to. Very simple. Because let's face it, right? If you don't have contacts to send your emails to, you know, then you're toasted essentially if you don't have the contacts. So you have to get them somewhere, and I'll teach you how to do that in this lesson. So this guide will show you the best tools and resources to help you find leads for e-commerce businesses. Whether you're starting out or looking to grow your network, these steps will guide you in the right direction. It is extremely important to find the right qualified leads for your business. If you spend your effort on people who will hurt your deliverability or the ones who don't have the budget to pay you, you're simply wasting your time, which is the last thing we all want. That said, let's get right into it. So, free databases for e-commerce niches. So, if you're looking for leads without spending money, go for Instagram, for example. Okay, and how you want to look for the leads is very simple. Simply use niche specific hashtags, search for brand names, or simply explore competitors' followers. It is very simple. And also, very important thing, focus on active accounts with a good amount of engagement. And let's just say this is very simple on Instagram, right? You want to look, if you want to look for personal trainer, just look for just search in the search bar personal trainers. Okay, very, very simple. And just go through the list. Okay, and just get these contacts. Okay, very simple. Now, the second tool is myip.ms, and this website lets you explore a list of e-commerce businesses organized by niche. This is great for finding stores in specific categories. Now let's go for the paid databases. So paid databases can save you a lot of time and provide detailed insights into e-commerce stores. Like if you guys, honestly, if you have like $100 to spend on cold email marketing, this is what I would spend it on. Okay, I would spend it on getting the paid databases because it will save you so much time, and you will get thousands of contacts within a snap of a finger, right? So this is very, very I just wanted to mention that. Now here you have all the tools that you can use, and I just wanted to tell you this thing, right? I will be in the next lesson, okay, or in the not in the next lesson, but the lesson after the next lesson, I'll be showing you how to actually use this tool right here, apollo.io, and how to get leads for your business with it. This tool is the simplest tool on the planet, and I cannot recommend it enough. So we'll be going over this in the second lesson after this. Okay? Now, tools for scraping emails. So just imagine, right? You find some company, right? You find some personal trainer on Google, you find some personal trainer on Instagram, whatever. Now, or you find them somewhere else, or on LinkedIn, wherever. Like, you just find them somewhere on the internet. Now, what you want to have is that you want to have their email addresses or something to contact them, because if you don't have their email address, right, you have no way to contact your audience. Okay, it's sorry, not your audience, but the business owner, right? Because what you get on these websites is usually like support emails which will never respond to you because you don't have the contact to the decision maker, which is the CEO or the manager or whoever, right? And for this case, you need to get the actual email addresses that will link you up with the decision makers. And for these cases, let me just quickly show you. Let's make it smaller. You can use these free tools. Okay, these free tools, Snow, Rocket Reach, and Hunter.io, are absolutely amazing. Now, if you use Apollo, this will all do it for you. So not only will it search for you, it will also give you email addresses. However, if you want to do it separately, you can use these tools. Okay, but like I've said, I'll be showing you everything in the Apollo. Now, how to actually use these tools. And again, I'll be walking over this with you in the Apollo, so don't worry. I'll just give you some basic framework. So first of all, like I've told you, define your target audience. And your target audience is obviously going to be based on your offer that you created previously. Second thing is that you're going to find leads, okay? Third thing is that you will have to gather contact details, which you'll use the scraping tools to find accurate email addresses. And after you do that, you always have to verify these emails to make sure they are valid. Now, another big thing, and I'm not being paid by Apollo or anything. I just think it's a very awesome tool because it doesn't only give you the email, but it also verifies that the email address is good and whether it is like healthy or not healthy, which is like absolutely awesome because everything you essentially need to know and have is in the Apollo itself. So this is why I'm going to be going over it. And as the last thing, make sure that you organize your data. So make sure you put all of these contact informations into spreadsheets to make sure you know everything and everything makes sense and there's no mess. Because after that, you will be way more efficient and you will be way faster. And if you're way faster, you will make way more money. Very simple. And just some final tips from me. Begin with free tools. Get familiar with everything and upgrade to paid options after you get familiar with everything. Also, make sure you keep your leads updated, regularly clean and verify your email list to avoid issues, and organize your workflow to track which businesses you've contacted and which you haven't. Very simple, and I'm very excited for the next lessons. So let's get it, guys.